Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's recipe we have a boiling crab with lobster and shrimps. All ingredients below in my info box. We're gonna need 1 tablespoon of Old Bay, 1 tablespoon of lemon pepper, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a little bit of spicy crushed red pepper, 2 bars of unsalted butter, chopped garlic, parsley, shrimps, lobster tails, and don't forget cut both ends so you can remove the thick shell more easily and you can eat the meat. Lemon, sausage, sweet corn, and potatoes. In a pot we are going to melt the butter bars, and in another pot with water and lemon let's add the shrimps until they are turned the orange color. When the butter is melted, we are gonna be adding the garlic. We are gonna be adding the dry ingredients, but not yet the sugar. We have to reserve it to the end. And cover the pot and let simmer. The shrimps are ready. We will remove them and add the corn in the same water and let it cook. Now let's add the lobster tails, the sausage, and shrimps. Mix it up. And we are ready to add the sweet corn. Mix it up and let it cook for a few minutes more. And now it's time to add the sugar. I have diluted in hot water. And I'm gonna be adding a little bit of parsley. Cover the pot and let it rest until you are ready to serve. And this is the final results, guys. Our boiling crab with lobster and shrimps. Please subscribe to my channel, thumbs up, share this recipe with your friends and family. And she's Candy, my cotton de tulear. She has her own videos all Saturdays. Stay tuned. See you next time. Bye bye.